If you'd like to get yourself one of these, you can head over to the Stick Company's website and use this discount code to get 10% off. Good morning, everyone. I got sent this package in the mail by a company in the United States called The Stick Company. Yeah, really, that's the name of the company. They're called The Stick Company. Pretty original, right? Let's see what's inside. I've already opened it. What they've sent me is one of these things. I am Stick. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So I'm just gonna rip this open like that. Ooh, colorful. Looks just like the picture, actually. This is the I am Stick. It's a pretty unusual looking phone holder or phone stand. There's also this little alcohol cleaning wipe thing. Let's see how it all goes together. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. There aren't any instructions with this, so I guess I'm just gonna have to figure out how this all works. Now, if you look there, that's the main body of the phone holder, of the stand, of the I am Stick. There are these kind of sticky things stuck on them, so I'm gonna peel them off. That's not too bad. If I can, ooh, it moves. Aha, so it's magnetic. So that's how it works. It's magnetic, and peel this off as well. Expose that surface, I think. Whoa, ooh, whoa. Okay, those are pretty powerful magnets, pretty strong. Look at that, it's about as wide as my nose, and good, whoa, and it just snaps together. That's pretty cool. And there's 3M double-sided tape backing it. Oh, another magnet, boom. This peels off as well. Look at that, peeling off a lot of things today. It says, everything is connected, The Stick Company. That's a pretty nice touch, it looks classy. There's a little threaded mating surface, or a little threaded mating hole where you can screw this onto their other stand type product, which is like a stick, which has a threaded end. So you can screw this on there and use it that way. I think the way this works is you stick one of these to the back of your phone, and then you stick this somewhere else. This is the actual stand, so when you put your phone up close to it and this is stuck to your phone, it just magnetically gets held on there. And because they've got these little bendy, wiry type thing, you can wrap this around some sort of pole, you can bend it to make it stand, customize which angle you want it to hold your phone at. You can kind of roll it around and make it really compact so it stays this shape and size, and you can just slip it in your pocket. And there are two of them. I'm going to demonstrate how I stick these rods in. So let's imagine that each of these items are the 4 poles. What we want to do is we're going to stick one stick through diagonally like so. We're going to bend it this way and then go all the way around. And when we do that, this part is going to get locked onto this end, this part gets locked onto this side. So that gives it a bit of leverage. And we do the same thing on the other side. We stuck this one this way, so we're going to stick this one like so. And this one as well goes around this way. So we're going to go through and we're going diagonal, and this one is going on the other side. So we've got them both in, and now it's just a matter of bending them around, make them go all the way around. Look at that, tiny little size like that. Fits into almost any pocket. And when you want to pull it out and use it, you can just pull the ends, and there you go. And then you can shape these to however you like, and use it to set up your phone. Boom. Okay, final thoughts on the I am Stick. I have used it for about 1 month in my car and tried it in a couple of other places. And would I buy it? Yes. For the price, I think there's nothing else out there that I know of that offers the same convenience and flexibility as this product. But that's not to say that it's perfect. There are some things that I would definitely like to see the Stick Company improve on. So positive number 1. So with the effects of COVID-19, we are all spending way more time looking at our phones than we used to. Having a phone stand like this, which is so flexible, where you can set your phone almost in any position you like, means that you can set it in a far more comfortable position for your neck and your shoulders, and at the end of the day, you're gonna be less fatigued. The second thing that I love about it is that it's magnetic. Once you start using these things, you get spoiled. You will never want to switch to any other kind of phone stand. You can just get your phone onto this thing and pull it off instantly. It's just a snap. It's so easy. You can do it with one hand. Snap, snap, unlike anything else. Now on to the negatives. Although the magnet is super strong and the phone doesn't budge, these legs, these bendy legs, aren't as rigid as, say, some other types of stands out there. So that means that if you're, say, setting it up in a moving vehicle, like in a car, unless you have it propped up just right, your phone is going to wobble around and shake a lot as you go over bumps and stuff. So I personally wouldn't feel comfortable using something like this on, say, a bicycle or a motorcycle. I mean, the magnet is super strong and it's not going to drop your phone. I just don't feel comfortable having my phone just, snapped onto something. It just doesn't feel as secure as something that would kind of actually grasp my phone. If you're not using it in a moving vehicle, if you're just propping it up on a stand or on a desk or something like that, then I think that's fine. The other negative is the color. It looks pretty cool when you look at it on its own, but this particular color combination doesn't fit very well with most things around my house. If you look at these pictures, you can tell that it looks so out of place. I do hope that the stick company has other color options on the way. When I looked on the website last, this was the only color I could find. And negative number 3, dear stick company, please do something about the instructions. Even if you don't actually put in an instruction manual in the package itself, maybe you could just put a QR code on the package somewhere which links to a tutorial video or an instructional video. If you end up getting one of these, don't forget to use that discount code, 10% off using this code right here, and you can order one of these from this link. I've also linked them in the description below, so make sure you check that out.